Let's now look at how we can calculate the log sigmoid in TensorFlow. For this, we'll create a tensor x is equal to tf dot constant, and the values we'll use is 1, 2, and 10. To calculate the log sigmoid, we'll type tf.math.log underscore sigmoid and input x. Now we can print the values of z as z.numpy and run this. And in the output, we get the set of values that are these. So um, we have -3 e to the power -1 and so on. We can calculate this manually by typing z is equal to, and this is what we are trying to use, the relation that is shown above, np.exp. So we use the negative values of x there, and then we add 1 to this. 1 plus 1 is z is equal to 1 plus z, and then we take the log of the inverse. So z is equal to np.log 1 divided by z, and then we print z. So the output should be similar to what we have. This is 3.13, we get a 3.13 e to the power -1, and we have -1.26 e to the power -1. Then we have -4.5, 4.5, we have 4.5. Slightly different values here, e to the power -5. So that's how we can calculate the log sigmoid in TensorFlow. If you have any comments or suggestions, please do let me know in the comment section below. I hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you.